Hi YouTubers, hope you're all having a cracking day. We've been shopping today, we've just been to B&M stores. We've picked up a noodle dish. It's a wok chicken in chili and Thai basil sauce noodles. The price was 95p I believe from B&M stores. Let's go down to the worktop and have a look what's inside. Right, so we've got the wok chicken in chili and Thai basil sauce with noodles. The product weight is 250 grams. Apparently it's low fat, serves one, and we've got the free chili sign rating. Just going to see what else is on the box. I think, does that mean product of actual Thailand? What is it? What kitchen meals are manufactured using fresh ingredients and foil seal for best results? No added MSG, preservatives, and foil sealed for the best taste, made from authentic ingredients. Let's see if we can find the nutritional information. So we've got per serving, it's 325 calories. What else have we got on now? 7.3 grams of fat, etc, etc, if you want to have a look at yourself. In the ingredients section, we've got the allergens in black, which is wheat, soybean oil. Store in a cool, dry place. Once opened, keep refrigerated and consume within 1 day. Just gonna look for the cooking instructions. Where would they be? Right, there they are. See the contents of the noodles and sauce pouches into the box and close the lid. Microwave on 800 watts for approximately 2 to 2.5 minutes. Mix thoroughly and enjoy. So we're inside the product now. So you got the 2 pouches. I take it that's the sauce. And so we've also got the pouch of noodles. So let's get a pair of scissors and open it up. I'm going to put the noodles into the box. Try and break them up a bit because they're a bit compacted. My hands are clean, by the way. Let's open a foil sealed bag with the sauce in it. I'm going to pour that in. Try and get most of that out. Going to give this a slight stir. It doesn't really say it in the instructions, but it makes sense to give it a stir before we go and put it in the microwave. And also, I don't know if I've read it wrongly, but does it say close the lid or not? Well, I don't see it do any on closing the lid. A little bit of steam out of it. Right, so I'm going to put this in the microwave for a lot of time, and I'll come back to you and we can give it a taste test. So this has come freshly out of the microwave. I don't know if you can see from now. But we've got a soft noodle. It's quite a wide noodle. We've got, I can see bits of carrot, a few basil leaves, and a few maybe red peppers. Right, I'm going to try and get a little bit of this. Try not to burn my mouth off and take the skin off the top of my mouth. Right, it's not actually bad, to be honest, not for the price. The noodles have still got a bit of bite to them. They're not like, you know, some noodles you get which are a complete mush, let's say. The flavour is very sweet, but it tastes like it's got high salt content to it. Let's have another try. Even though it said 3 chilies on the packaging, it's got a very, very small amount of heat. I mean, I don't know what I can compare it to, but if people like, is it sriracha sauce? I'd say it's probably half the heat of a sriracha sauce. Would I buy it again? Let's have another try. Yeah, I would actually, as it goes. As goes to pot noodles or any type of instant noodles. I mean, you can get the cheap super noodle types. This is a level above them, let's say. My favourite noodles are the shin cup noodles, which are really spicy, but then once again, is probably you only like it if you like really spicy stuff. For I think it was 90 odd pence, I think, for one of these. Quick easy snack. Yeah, I'll buy it again. If you're happy with our videos, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us. And I hope you all have a lovely day and take care. Bye bye now.